Greetings to one and all. I am Akash Srinivasan, and in this video we will be learning what are tables in HTML and different types of HTML tags utilized in building tables. And by the end of this video we will be building something like this. Note that it is not beautiful right now, and whatever we build with HTML is not going to look good. But after we learn CSS, we can style our websites in a minimalistic and modern way. So let us open our VS Code. And before going to code, I would like to show you I have a couple of images over here inside this images folder. Feel free to have images of your own, or I will be providing these images in the description below. Let us create a new file called index.html. Later, to generate the boilerplate code, let us click on the exclamation key and later on enter. Now, to see the output, let us click on the Go Live button over here at the bottom right corner. This opens a new browser. Let us split the screens into two parts. Now let us have a look at the output first. So we have the table head over here and the content over here. So firstly, to generate something like this, we need to have a tag called table. This table tag will have two children tags, which are th or table head, and after that we will have another tag called table body or tbody. So whatever you can see over here, say the movie name, genre and protagonist, all these data will be filled inside the table head and the rest of the things in the table body. So firstly, let us open table head, and inside this we need to add another tag called tr, which means table row. Inside this table row, we will be adding a th tag, which means table head again. Inside this, we need to add the name like movie name, and click on Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy the whole line and paste it over here. Let me type genre over here, copy, paste, and now protagonist name. After that, let us see the output. Currently it is looking like this. After that, let us fill the table body. Inside this table body, in the similar way, we need to have a table row over here called tr, and inside this table row we don't use the th tag, rather we use the td, which means table data. Inside this table data, let me add this movie name over here. Later, the genre name, which is comedy and horror. Let me copy it and paste it over here. And over here, we need to have an image. Let me have an image over here. Let me have a source attribute, and this will redirect to the images, and let's say the Wednesday movie. So currently it is looking like this. The image is huge, so let me reduce the size by giving it a particular width. Let's have 200 pixels. Now it is fine. Firstly, let us give the table a width of 100%. Later, let us give it a background color of black. Now, for the th, let us give a background color of yellow. For the all th tags, and even the td tags. So we are getting something looking like this right now. So firstly, let us align this text into the middle of this cell by writing align center. Let me copy this and paste it in the next TD or table data. So as you can see, we got something very close to this one. Now for each table row, let me give a width of 33%, as when you divide 100% divided by 3, it comes 33.33 something. So let me have 33.33%. Not each table row, I need to divide it in the table data. After this, let me give the same value to the table head also. Now all the rows are equally divided as shown over here. Now for the image, let me give a width of 100%. So the image takes the width of its parent. The parent is the TD tag, which is table data, and it has a width of 33% of the table row. Now let me duplicate this table row over here. Let me copy and paste it again and one more time, and rest is nothing, just change the data inside it. I hope you can do it and remember this as a homework. Oh, we forgot a small detail, that over here we need to have a color of white and the background should be in a darker gray, darker yellow. So let me go to the top in the table head. Let me give it a color. Style is equal to color. And this is CSS, don't worry about it right now. When we go through the CSS tutorials, it will be clear to you. Currently just copy and paste this code over there. Let me give it #FFF. This is a hexadecimal and it stands for the color white. So all the table head is in the color white. Now let me change the background color into a darker yellow. Or let me think, black is looking good. So or let us try brown. Brown is better, I think. So let me change it into brown over here. And tada, our project is finished, and as a homework I will give you to change all the data over here and create another table related to any other topic. Thank you.